Okay, here I am sitting with two little sweet puppies. And one of them is chewing on my camera, and that's little Miss Peaches. She is definitely little Miss Busy because she's had a lot of attention. And here's little sweet Keystone, whose new name is Chip. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweet baby boy. He's red and white, and he is beautiful. Beautiful dark eyes with nice red around each one. I mean red hair color, you know. Beautiful little black nose, nice little red ears. He is going to be so cute. He's getting some little freckles coming out on his little nose. He's going to be beautiful. You can see more red coming out. There's some. Here's some on his little tail. And it's just a pretty little baby. Yes. And Peachy, you're cute too, and we know it. You're little Miss Peach. Now, Peachy. What a good girl you are. She's just little cute stuff. Hey, cutes. Chip likes to get up on my shoulder. He likes to be my snuggle pumpkin. And this little girl, she'll snuggle. But she's definitely, she's older. She's almost 2 weeks older. And, of course, that makes a little difference. Okay. She is very, very sweet. Oh, Now let's look at little Mr. Sweet Chip. Hi, baby Chip. Let Mommy put you down, too. Okay. Chippy Chip. Chip says, I want to be where it's soft. He says, I can't really see where I get like this. Oh, you sweet little sweetheart. Oh, okay. This is the snuggle puppy over there. And this is just some other little toys in here. Hey, baby Chip. Hi, sweetheart. Okay, Peaches, where'd you go? Chip says he wants Mommy pick him up. Yes. This little girl, she just loves to go explore everything. And she just... Okay, now you're getting Mr. Chip to be rowdy. Okay, I think this is enough.